guys, welcome back to our Azerbaijan travel series. Today, we are going to explore the amazing world of Old Baku City. Old Baku City is a top tourist attraction that holds a rich history and attracts visitors from around the world. So, come on, let's go. This place is an absolute gem, filled with intriguing history, stunning architecture, and a vibrant atmosphere. It's a place where every corner has a story to tell. As we wander through its narrow streets, we are seeing ancient buildings and charming shops. This old city dates back to the 12th century and is so good, preserving its charm and cultural significance. This city was formed during the reign of the Shirvanshahs dynasty. Its strategic location along the Silk Road made it a bustling hub for trade and cultural exchange. Over the centuries, the city flourished, attracting merchants, artists, and scholars, leaving their mark on its architecture and traditions. It's interesting to wander through the cobblestone streets, visit traditional shops selling handicrafts and souvenirs, and indulge in delicious local cuisine at cozy cafes. This walled city within Baku is a treasure of ancient architecture, narrow winding streets, and rich cultural heritage. Also, this historical place is a UNESCO Heritage Site. We can see friendly faces, taste delicious traditional foods, and witness the vibrant spirit of Azerbaijan. It's like walking through a real-life fairy tale. Guess what? We don't need to pay an entrance fee to explore this magical place. However, some cool attractions like the famous Maiden Tower and the impressive palace of the Shirvanshahs have entry fees. We are near the iconic landmark of Old Baku City, the Grand Palace of the Shirvanshahs. It's amazing to see the architectural beauty and the tales they hold within their walls. This palace is an important historical site in Baku, Azerbaijan. Also, this palace was the residence of the rulers of the Shirvanshah dynasty in the 15th century. This architectural masterpiece showcases the rich cultural heritage of the region and is a proof to the medieval Islamic architecture. Each corner of this place has its own story to tell. With its rich heritage, Baku Old City offers a unique cultural experience. This place is like a time machine, where ancient architecture and narrow streets transport us to another era. As we wander around, we can see old-fashioned shops filled with unique souvenirs and handmade goodies. It's a vibrant and happening place, where the past meets the present, in the most exciting way. We are near the magnificent Maiden Tower. Every corner of this place gives a sense of mystery and wonder. Exploring this place is like stepping into a living museum. exploring historical sites, to enjoying traditional performances and indulging in local cuisine, there's something for every visitor to enjoy. So, if you're seeking an unforgettable journey through time, Baku Old City is the place to be. After our exciting trip, we couldn't resist visiting this attractive cafe with a stunning view of the Maiden Tower. It was the perfect way to unwind and reflect on our unforgettable adventures in Azerbaijan. The ambience was super cool, with the iconic tower standing tall in the backdrop. We relaxed and indulged in some delicious coffee and refreshing drinks. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you guys did, make sure to mention that in the comment section below. And, like every time guys, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, Travel Appetite. Be sure to check out our next video, where we will be exploring more places in Baku and sharing amazing experiences with you. So stay tuned for the next video. Until next time, happy exploring.